Another one is Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Well, today we're going to be making something I love to do because it's pimento cheese. This is Rosalind Carter's recipe for pimento cheese. I did make this one a couple of years ago. It is real good. There is one ingredient that will surprise you, so I'll leave it till the end. I put an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I've had it out for a couple hours. It's very soft. And I used about a pound of colby cheese. My mother would never make pimento cheese without colby cheese. Please do not use bag cheese for this. I actually did it one time and wrote the pimento cheese. That was hard to take. It just stayed hard. The pieces did. So I used 1 pound block of colby cheese. Now you can use other cheeses. I just am a supporter of colby cheese. Almost. I think my little dog must have smelled the cheese. See, a pound goes a long way. And, of course, I drained my pimentos. This is just one jar of this size of pimentos. Sometimes I do put 2 because I do love the extra pimentos in it. And mayonnaise, again, use your mayonnaise. I love Hellmann's. It's just the family mayonnaise around here. We'll start off with about 3/4 of a cup. Probably will be plenty for this. If we go on a trip or something, I always make pimento cheese to take with us and put in a cooler because it is so good for a snack with crackers or soft bread. You can toast. Now, a lot of people like toasted pimento cheese sandwiches. I like them, but it wouldn't be my favorite. And I think is it Chick-fil-A that has pimento cheese and chicken sandwiches? No, that wouldn't appeal to me either. Although I love Chick-fil-A, but that wouldn't be my go-to. I don't think. I believe it is Chick-fil-A. Just keep immersion. And then we'll use our secret ingredient. Do you know what it is? Have you seen this before? Or is it going to be a surprise? Yeah, the cream cheese is a little bit harder. Of course, the mayonnaise has been absorbed. Okay. Looks pretty good to me. And here is our favorite secret ingredient. I did do this one time, and actually it was pretty good. It's an onion, and you grate it. You don't slice it. It's grated. That way, when you bite down, I guess you don't get a bite. I'm going to do about half an onion. But something, it changes it just a little bit, but you can tell that it's just an added something. And on top of that, you put about 1/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder. Well, and now we have a big bowl of pimento cheese. Let me get my bread. Here it is. Let me put this over here. Ouch. Do you find when you make pimento cheese that maybe the next day you have to add a little bit more mayonnaise? I have found that out. And I will have to say, I've tasted all kinds of pimento cheese, bought it and everything. There is nothing as good as homemade pimento cheese. I've never seen or tried any that was anything like homemade pimento cheese. And there's our pimento cheese. I'm not going to take all the crust off of it, but I do like two sides. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, that's so good, but it'll be better this evening. I shouldn't eat. Well, now we have a big bowl of pimento cheese with the secret ingredient. Try it. If you love pimento cheese, it's right up your alley. Every now and then I'll put a couple drops of hot sauce in them. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit of hot sauce, which I love that too. Take care of yourself. Go make your pimento cheese sandwich and toast it if you want to. We'll see you soon. Remember the joy. Bye-bye.